Have you ever pondered over the possibility of making money online, right from the comfort of your home? Picture this, a world where your opinion not only matters but also earns you money. Welcome to the realm of online surveys where convenience meets financial benefits. This method, infused with simplicity, allows anyone to participate regardless of experience or technical prowess. It's your doorway to earning money while sipping your morning coffee. So how do you get started? Let's dive into the exciting world of online surveys. Before diving into the ocean of online surveys, understanding the basics is crucial. So, what are online surveys? Well, they are questionnaires that companies or researchers use to collect data about a specific topic. These topics can range from your shopping habits to your thoughts on a new movie trailer. Now, why would companies pay for these surveys? The answer lies in the value of your opinion. Companies need your feedback to understand how they can improve their products or services. Here's how it works. You take an online survey, your responses are collected and analyzed, and in return you get paid. It's as simple as that. But remember, the key to earning through online surveys is honesty and consistency. Your opinion matters, and it can earn you money. Now that you have a basic understanding of online surveys, you may be wondering, where do I find these surveys? Navigating the sea of online surveys can seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. The key to finding legitimate survey sites is to do your homework. Start by looking at the website's privacy policy. Legitimate sites will have clear policies in place to protect your personal information. Next, check out user reviews. While every site will have its fair share of negative reviews, consistent complaints about non-payment or poor customer service can be red flags. Finally, look for payment proof. Legitimate survey sites will often have a section where they showcase testimonials from users along with proof of their earnings. Remember, if a site seems too good to be true, it probably is. And always be wary of sites asking for upfront payment. Legitimate survey sites will never charge you to join. Once you've found a legitimate survey site, it's time to sign up and start earning. Signing up is just the first step. Now let's talk about maximizing your earnings. First and foremost, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Register for multiple survey sites. This is a simple way to increase your opportunities for earning. Each site has a unique selection of surveys, so the more platforms you're registered on, the more surveys you can take, and thus the more money you can make. Next, spend time completing your profiles on these sites. The more detailed and accurate your profile is, the better chance you have of being matched with surveys. Remember, companies are looking for specific demographics for their market research. You'll have more chances at landing surveys if your profile is complete and up to date. Now, consistency is key. Check for new surveys regularly. Some surveys have a limited capacity and are only available for a certain period of time. The early bird gets the worm, as they say, so make it a habit to log in frequently to get first dibs on new surveys. Be patient and persistent. You might not qualify for every survey, but don't let that discourage you. Keep at it. The more surveys you take, the more you earn. And finally, honesty pays. Always provide accurate information. Companies value honest feedback, and fraudulent responses can get you banned from survey sites. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to start your journey towards making money with online surveys. Making money with online surveys may not make you a millionaire overnight, but it can certainly help with some extra cash. If you look back at what we've discussed, you'll see that it's a simple, low-stress way to earn a bit on the side. It's perfect for those idle moments like waiting in line or during commercial breaks. The beauty of this approach is that it's flexible and accessible. You can participate from almost anywhere at any time that suits you. It's as easy as signing up for a survey site and starting to share your opinion. We've also covered how to identify legitimate sites and shared some tips on maximizing your earnings. So you're equipped with the knowledge you need. Now it's time to take action. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Begin your journey of making money with online surveys today.